So today's event is co-organised between NAAME and Tastebuds Collective. The idea is to bring together the advanced manufacturing group and the food and drink innovation sector to discuss sustainability, food manufacturing and how engineering can help support that in a sustainable way.
We're delighted to be working with Tastebuds Collective and Connected Innovation to bring together a collaboration of two different clusters, so the food and drink as well as the manufacturing and engineering side, bringing together both the producers and the manufacturers together in one room to connect, collaborate and grow.
Tastebuds Collective is a membership organisation looking to support food and drink businesses, link them with academia and the public sector to foster innovation and growth in the sector.
So I'm attending today's event partly to promote how Muntons and their facilities can support kind of different business enterprises, but also to talk around how Muntons are one of the most sustainable malted ingredients manufacturers globally as well, and some of the practices that we adopt.
Well, today's event seems a very interesting opportunity for us presenting our company, our innovation, and probably attracting some interesting projects that we will have the chance to demonstrate our technology.
If you want to engage with the business school, I'd recommend talking to academics from a wide range of disciplines. My own discipline is supply chain design and also new product development. Also, some emerging topics such as how do you embed digital skills within your company. And also we've got an army of students that are looking for projects.
So food safety trends can have a broad range of sources. So for example, microbial risks can change through time. So there can be different microbes that are more prominent in the food chain. It can be due to novel food types emerging. So different types of food can introduce different risks. It can be there can be updates because of innovation that can tackle different risks better, and it can also be because of changes in policy.
So we're a member of NAAME, have been for a few years now. We receive very good support with networking. If we have any questions, they're always very supportive, try and find the right companies to talk to.
What is the number one thing that businesses should get involved in touch with you for?
Okay, so definitely the top priority is data. And if you want to understand your data, come to us at Norwich Business School and we'll be able to provide you expertise in CRM, ERP, artificial intelligence and how that's applied and how you can use it in your business.
People should join Tastebuds Collective if they want to find out more about what's going on in the industry today, meet people that can make a difference to their business, be it a mentor, advice, a business support, or meet an academic that can take their new product development or their research to the next level.